Hello everyone, this is Saeed Akhlaqpour. I received a few questions about creating a simple map basically, especially if it is a word map, because we talked about Orin. Orin is great for creating Australian maps, but suppose that you want to create a simple word map, very simple one, just putting bubbles on a word map. How you can do that? In this video, I suggest a very easy approach to creating this map. Basically, the idea is that you specify the latitudes and longitudes, the coordinates of the points that you are interested in, and then the value that you want to visualize on the map, right? So for finding latitudes and longitudes, it is very easy. Um, you simply go to any map software, so Google Maps or Bing Map or whatever tool you prefer. If you click on any point, basically it provides you with the latitude and longitude of that point, right? So let me pick an international point this time. So let's pick somewhere in, I don't know, PNG. Let's pick this point, and it provides me with the latitude and longitude, and all you need to do is to basically copy and paste this number into Excel, right? So I copy it, I paste it as the latitude, and then I repeat the same for the longitude, right? And then I provide any label, let's say PNG, and I provide a number. So this is the value that you are interested in. So for me, this is just a dummy value. All right, so now I have prepared my data set. That's my data set. Now I want to map it. And the good news is Excel basically has a built-in tool for creating geospatial maps, right? Depending on the version of Excel that you use, this might be different, but most of the recent versions, they have something as a 3D map or Bing map. Even if you don't see it here, you can download it as an add-in for the older versions of Excel. But most of the new ones, they do have 3D maps embedded, right? So it is under Insert, and then either under Charts or as a separate tab, you have this 3D map, right? So I click on 3D map. Let's see, okay. So it is smart enough to basically understand the data already. So it's understood the latitude and longitude. But suppose that you want to provide the information from the beginning. So I remove this one, these two rows, and I add it manually. So I say add, so this is about the location. So I add field, my location is included in these two columns. So I say latitude, and it automatically identifies that this is a latitude field. I specify the other column, and it identifies as a longitude column. So now I can specify what value I want to map on the map, and it is that dummy value. So this is how it will provide the visualization for me. If I want to have a proper legend, I can specify that I want to show my labels as well. And also, if you prefer another sort of map, let's say a flat map, or actually, yeah. So I leave it to you to look at these features. So if you simply want the bubbles instead of these bars, you can choose this one. And then the size of these bubbles would be proportional to the value that you provided, right? So it could be a flat map as well. And then you can add a text box if you want. So I leave the rest to you. You can change the base map and so on and so forth, right? So I leave these changes to you, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to create a bubble map for your assignment, for the visualization assignment. And obviously you can capture this scene. And so I clicked on this one, capture scene, and then you can paste it in any in basically your report, the Word document that you provide. So if I click on paste here, I should be able to see the map that I created. So obviously this is a very, very basic map, but I'm sure you can work on it and make it more, make it prettier and more informative.